Hey, Lewis from Moovila here. Today we are going to show you how to create a project from a template in Moovila, sync that over to ConnectWise, and what that would look like between the two systems. So in Moovila, in your templates, you can build out as much detail as you need. In here, we've got our Moovila tasks, which map to the ConnectWise project tickets. We have our Moovila steps that map to the ConnectWise project tasks. You can set all of this in your templates. You can set your descriptions, you can set your default work types on each of your tasks, your durations, your budgeted hours. If we take a look at our critical path in Moovila, we can set all of those dependencies between all of that work as well too. So jumping back to the portfolio, we're just going to click this purple plus to create a new project. We'll call this checklist with today's date. That will create that new project in Moovila, and it will take the start date of that project, and it will start to forecast the dates of all of those tasks. So let's open up that project there. We can take a quick look at our critical path engine, go ahead and push estimated start and due dates to all of our tasks. Let's go ahead and jump in here and also assign all of that work as well. Let's say we'll give it to Bob. He's going to work on that entire onboarding. Just with a quick copy paste, we can assign all of those tasks in Moovila. Once we get our project plan ready to go, we've got our estimated dates. We have our assigned resource there on all of those. We're going to jump into our project details. ConnectWise is going to require a due date on those projects. So we'll go ahead and say this onboarding is due at the end of April. In Moovila, we'll go to this ConnectWise sync and info. I'm not going to set location or business units. We'll go ahead and put this on our project 213 board. We'll say that this is actual hours, and we'll say that it is actual rates. All this time is going to be non-billable for an onboarding. For example, we'll go ahead and say the customer is Green Vision, hit save and continue. So that will create a new project in ConnectWise. It will assign the project ID in ConnectWise. If we jump over here and go ahead and just trigger a quick refresh in ConnectWise, we'll see that project has already appeared, that client onboarding for today. If we drill in, we can see that estimated start date, the estimated due date. We've got Bob as the project manager there. If we take a look at that work plan, we have that entire structure. So all of our phases, our subphases, all of our project tickets are in there as well too. If we drill into a ticket, we can see Bob is set as the owner of that. It's got his estimated start and due dates there. It also has all of the corresponding ConnectWise tasks. So fully robust project plan, ready to be worked. Updates can be made in either system, and it will flow back and forth bidirectionally.